Good morning, guys. We're getting a bright and early start. I got my towel guy coming. He's gonna be doing the top coat, brown coat. I can't remember what it's called. Hold on. So we've been running this van all night, trying to get the bottom section of the concrete to dry. So this is, I want to say it's called a scratch coat. I might be wrong. I'll put the right name right here. I'll use scratch coat for now. This is the scratch coat. They put chicken wire on the walls and then they throw down all of this concrete. After this, they're gonna throw down another layer of thin set so they have a nice smooth section to lay tile on. And then the guys are gonna start tiling. Let's get after it. All right, everyone, our tile guy just left. He did an incredible job. I mean, I showed a little bit in the B-roll, but like this is like his attention to detail was, I mean, that's crazy. That's like a 1/4 inch, but it's all the way and it's perfect. Shout out to Chewy, he did a great job. The rest of this is gonna get covered. So we're gonna wait, let this cure for 24 to 48 hours, and he's gonna tile the entire thing. Super pumped, this looks really good. The slope's really good down to the drain. So he did a really good job. The next time you guys see me, we're gonna be putting tile on the walls. So pumped. What are we doing here?
Picking out our bathroom toilet room flooring.
So what are you thinking with this tile? You're thinking more lighter, like this? Like, what do you think, why gray tile in contrast with like our shower tile?
Well, our walls are white. The tile is white.
Okay.
Our flooring is lighter, so we need some contrast.
Okay.
And it's such a small space that it's not going to make it seem dark because everything else is super light and bright, and we can use this on the floor and it's a good contrast. And it's a medium, it's not too dark and it's not too light where it's blending. And I like the concrete look.
Cool. So we're gonna get this. Every time we're in Home Depot, I find myself looking at these, and April is looking at all the fun stuff. Okay, we really have not actually filmed too much because I wanted to respect the guys and respect their work, and so I didn't want to be in here filming all the time. So essentially what they're doing is they're cutting all of the tile and they're putting it all up, and they're doing a great job. So let's go check it out. Okay, so here is all of the tile that they've been doing. They have been doing insane work. We're using Bedrosian tile. We have a 1/16 of an inch gap on all of the tile. We did put floor in, which is like a flat rock. And then the flat rock that we were gonna put on the shower floor, we were also going to put here, but I think we're just gonna run the tile all the way up. That's a question for April. Please don't ask me any of those questions. I just do some of the work and hire the guys to do it. But these guys are killing it. The window looks really good. They placed all the pencil rounds on there. I'm super happy with it.